Hey guys, welcome back to Carly's Creations, and today we're going to work on something just really fun. It's different than a cup because kind of needed a mental break from all the Christmas rush, and I think probably a lot of you did too. So today we're going to work on dominoes, and I'm so excited because these are so fun. So today I'm going to walk you through just a very simple, easy design on dominoes. I did do another one that I will show you in the video just so you can see at the end, and that one was done with mica powders. The one in the video that we're going to do today is done with a really fun glitter mix that I got in. It's not one of my glitters, it's from another company, but I will share it and put all that down below for you. It's just kind of a fun party kind of mix, which I thought was very appropriate for dominoes since you play dominoes for game nights and parties and things like that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Comment if you have any questions, and join us on Facebook at Carly's Creations, Tumblers, and more. We would love to have you there, and let's get started.
All right, so here's the mold that we're going to use. I did get this from a friend of mine. And this is the glitter that we're going to use. So it does say a custom mix. I don't know if that means it's only this one or available all the time. I'm not sure. And then here's our epoxy. I've already obviously stirred it and let it sit for just a couple of minutes before really doing anything with it. I'm going to go ahead and get a spoon, and I'm just going to gradually start to add some of the glitter into the mix. As you can see, my cup is full. The mold itself will take around 200 mLs total of epoxy. So we're just going to add a little bit at a time, and then we're going to go ahead and mix. Aren't those colors fun? It just screamed party to me, so I thought, I have to try this glitter for this mold. It's perfect. We're just going to keep mixing very carefully and very slowly, and just make sure we get the right amount of glitter incorporated into our mixture here, to where we will get a good enough coverage into each of these pieces. All right, so now that we've got our glitter all mixed in, we're gonna go ahead and start adding to the mold. So I'm gonna get my popsicle stick, and I'm just gonna get a little bit at a time and just equally drop the mixture into each little individual mold. You wanna make sure that they're all very even on top, so that they come out the same size when you pop them out of the mold. All right, so I got that batch finished. I'm gonna hit it with the heat gun, pop any bubbles. Make sure you don't use your torch, that can melt your mold. And we'll mix up some more and just repeat the process until our mold is full. All right, so our mold has been sitting for 24 hours. And we're just gonna very carefully kind of release the sides here and just kind of release that suction, and just very carefully pull out each piece until we have everything pulled out, and then we will go on to our next and final step. All right, so now that we've got them all out of the mold and lined up here, we're going to add some paints, and so that way it allows us to see all the little dots on the dominoes itself. So we're going to use a damp paper towel, a fine tip paintbrush, and paint color of your choice. So today I'm going to use this kind of a deep hot pink that I found at Walmart, and we're just going to get our paintbrush and go ahead and dip into the paint, and we're going to paint inside of each circle as well as that little divider line in the middle. And I do one side at a time, so I'll do the one side, I add it in the middle of each dot, and then I get my damp paper towel and just kind of swipe over it, and just that kind of gets any excess paint that may have come, you know, kind of over your dot, anything like that. And then I just repeat that process for the entire set. And then once those are dry, they are complete. So very simple, very easy, not a long project to do, but think of the possibilities. I can think of so many different designs in my head. These are just so fun to make. So I do wrap them up in a velvet tie bag, which I will show you at the end of the video as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, if you have questions, let me know below. And thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you on the next project.